What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to evaluate the limit using L'Hopital's rule. The first example is limit of square root of 25 minus x squared minus 5 over x when x is approaching 0. When you sub 0 there is going to be square root of 25 minus 5 over 0, which will be 5 minus 5 over 0 or 0 over 0. It means that we need to find out the derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. That's how we use L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of this part is going to be negative 2x over 2 root 25 minus x squared divided by derivative of denominator, which is 1. 2 and 2 cancels out. It's going to be limit of negative x over square root of 25 minus x squared when x is approaching 0. That's going to be 0 over square root of 25, which is going to be 0. Next example is square root of 25 minus x squared over x minus 5 when x is approaching 5. Then it's going to be 25 minus 5 squared over 5 minus 5. That's going to be 0 over 0. It means that we need to use the L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of numerator is negative 2x over 2 root 25 minus x squared divided by derivative of denominator, which is 1, limit when x is approaching 5. 2 and 2 cancels out. It's going to be negative x over square root of 25 minus x squared, limit when x is approaching 5. So that's going to be negative 5 over square root of 25 minus 25. That's going to be negative 5 over 0, which is equal to negative infinity. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.